Hello friends, welcome to AYG Science Tech World YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see how to sign in into Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's start our video. Open Adobe Acrobat Reader after installing the app. Now click on Sign in with Google because this is the easy method to sign into Adobe Acrobat. Now choose a Google account to continue. Wait for a few seconds. Now you have signed. One thing has remained. Click on Next here. Click on Done here. You have successfully signed into Adobe Acrobat. We will now see a trial. Open a PDF with Adobe Acrobat. There are many features in this app. We will see one by one in it in the upcoming videos. In this app, there is a feature called Comment. In this comment, there is a pen to draw on PDF. There is an option to enter the text. Highlighter is there. Underline the text. Drag through the text is there. Like this, there are many features.